Hi there, Dori Soukup here, founder of InSPAration Management, with another question of the week. This week's question came to us from Amanda from North Carolina. Amanda saying, I heard you are doing the Leap Ahead seminar virtually. I am a Leap Ahead graduate. Well, that's great. I know who you are now. Oh, great. But I would like to attend again. Is there a special price for us because we attended before? I see how you are. You're always looking for a bargain, Amanda. No, actually, I haven't thought about that. Thank you so much for bringing it to my attention, because I think we should do something special for the alumni, people that actually have graduated already and like to come back, because actually we have a lot of people that do that. We've had people attend 3-4 times, and every time they come they learn something new from it. So I understand what you're saying, Amanda. So if you go to the Leap Ahead page, because we're taking it virtual right now, we're doing some special pricing for it instead of the in-person price. So the regular in-person price for the Leap Ahead is no longer available now because we're taking it virtually, and we actually reduced the price. So if you go to the InSPAration Management page on the website and go to the seminar, so we have a VIP price which will include 3 coaching sessions with it, or we have the regular admission. Now, what we've done for the virtual Leap Ahead is we've taken the 3-day seminar and we actually broke it up into 12 different modules, where we're going to be meeting twice a week starting in July, and you're going to be able to gain all the information that you would have gotten if you were in the 3-day seminar for the Leap Ahead. So here's what I'll do for you though, and now I have to do it for everybody. We might as well send out an email about it now, and they all have to thank you, Amanda, for doing this. So here's what I'll do. I'll give you the VIP ticket for the general admission price. Instead of paying $18.95 for the VIP ticket, you'll only be paying $14.95 for the VIP ticket. So it's not bad right off the top of my head to help you out. So you can do that. So let me tell you a little bit on what you get with the Leap Ahead seminar, even the virtual one. So you're gonna get this entire binder that has in it all the information that we're gonna go through. And it also has a marketing plan where you can actually customize. You will also get 5 different tools that come with the Leap Ahead seminar that you can download. Those tools are the budget, the compensation model, the don't sell recommend, the guest relations, and the clarity hiring system. So you're gonna get 5 implementation tools right away as part of the virtual Leap Ahead. So I want to encourage you to go to the Leap Ahead page, check it out, see all the bonuses that you'll get, and take advantage of this price. So all you have to do is write in the shopping cart, go ahead and insert the word alumni. That way I can inform my team and be able to give you the price difference, so you can get the VIP ticket for the price of the general admission. So I hope this helps you out, Amanda. I look forward to seeing you again and being part of the virtual Leap Ahead, and actually start applying more and more of it. So if you have any more questions, please feel free to call us, let us know, and we will take good care of you. So I look forward to seeing you at the next Leap Ahead. So if you too have a question, make sure you email it to Dori at InSPArationManagement.com. And until next time, stay inspired and stay healthy. Bye now.